Guess who? Boy, oh boy, I'm so happy that I returned to Universal Studios after my trip to Disneyland. And it's a good thing I got my own plush doll as a memory of my favorite three caballeros. Jeez, Panchito, you really make my day when we met. And you really got my heart pumping. Sorry, I thought my heart is gonna explode out of love because I never have a true love or boyfriends before until I met Panchito. He is my first true love I ever met. I hope he and I will meet again. My Prince Charming of Mexico. Too bad I didn't give him a kiss on the beak except blowing kisses like that. Now, where'll I go? Oh yes, to meet the gang. I can't wait to reunite with my friends, the Scooby-Doo and the Mystery Gang, and a lot more. Come on. Oh, minions! Grow! Where are you now? Huh, things have changed here. What? Wow, even the building looks redesigned, but it's the Minion! There he is! Come on, gang, let's go meet the Minions. I'm sure he'll be happy to see me, especially I've been gone for a few years. And now that I'm 29 right now, I won't feel old enough to be charismatic and reunite with friends. Oh! Here he comes now! Hi there, pal! Long time no see! Good to see you, pal! Say, how are you doing? Doing great? And how are the girls? Are they doing alright? I thought I'd be happy to see the girls. Anyway, I may not understand what you say, but it's Wynonna Woodpecker, in case you remember me. Alright, it's a camera. Say hello. Alright, let's get ready for the pose. Smile. Good one. Well done. High five. Yeah, fist bump. We did good. Thank you. Have a good day. Woo-wee! Now that was fun reuniting with my old friends of Universal Studios. And the bad news is, I'm sad that my Uncle Woody Woodpecker has suddenly retired from Universal Studios. But even though he's retired, I can still visit him in his home during his retirement. And he can invite me to his dinner party. Oh, I can't wait to get invited to his dinner party. Anytime he invites me, Knothead, Splinter, Winnie, my dad, and of course the three caballeros, because my Uncle Woody really extremely approved of those three caballeros. And he told me that he used to be their old friends, their biggest fan. Even though he's from Universal and the three caballeros from Disney. But regardless of where they come from, they can still be friends no matter where they came from or no matter where we came from. This is what happens. We have to treat each other equally, no matter where we came from or what we look like. That's why they call it the equal treatment. So, world diversity. Huh?
guys for dancing with me.
Snowball.
Nice dance.
It's a rabbit Snowball from The Secret Life of Pets.
Is that a woodpecker?
He sees me.
Why would I not be able to see you? You are absolutely Winnie the Woodpecker.
Actually, I'm Wynonna Woodpecker.
You're not a woodpecker.
Yes, but I'm a half human and a half bird.
Wait, you're what?
Half human and half bird.
You're half human and half bird.
Yes, because my father's a woodpecker and my mom's a human.
Well, that makes a lot of sense to me. You know what? I accept this hybrid of a human
Wow.
woodpecker. I don't even know what to call it. What's your name?
Wynonna. I'm Woody Woodpecker's niece.
Oh, you're Woody the Woodpecker's niece.
Woody Woodpecker's my uncle.
That means he has a brother or a sister.
My father is Woody Woodpecker's older brother, Wilfred.
Oh, wow, this story just got deep. I was not expecting this story to go deep down a family tree.
I know.
What's your dad's name?
Huh? My friend?
Your dad's name is it William?
Oh no, that's my true love.
William is your true love.
True love. He may be a rooster, but he's Panchito from Three Caballeros.
Yeah, I gotta be honest, people. This is definitely going down the rabbit hole. And I should know. It's not a money rabbit.
What? But, you're kidding, right?
You said what?
You're kidding, right?
No. This is by far the deepest hole I've ever been in as far as learning the information of a hybrid between a human and a woodpecker. I did not know this ever existed, but you know what? I accept it anyways, Wynonna. Wynonna or Wynonna? How do you pronounce it?
Wynonna.
Okay, Wynonna it is.
That's right. Anyway, your name's Snowball, right?
So does that mean you can fly?
I hardly fly, but I can walk.
You know what? That's a positive thing. Everybody take notes. If you can't fly, you can always walk.
Yep. And right now I must be going. And your name's Snowball, right?
Oh yeah, that's me.
Alright, you have a good
A lot
day.
of people mistake me for Captain Snowball, but no, that's another.
Oh, the Stuart Little, the other Snowball.
Yeah, Captain Snowball's not really here. When he is here, he's strong and handsome.
Mm-hmm. Anyway, you have a good day, Snowball.
Okay, Wynonna, I'll see you later.
You too. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Wow.
So SpongeBob, I said hi.
Oh, sure thing. Geez, I don't even know where SpongeBob is. I heard he's retired too. But dang, is it fun meeting the new friend, Snowball? And I'm surprised he accepts hybrids. He never seen me as a negative freak. He just likes me. Which I'm glad he likes me as an acceptable freak. Well, he's not calling me a freak. He calls me an interesting hybrid. Surely he never seen hybrids before. But this is for him to study. What's it like of having the friend that's a hybrid? Half animal, half human. Something like a half human and a half monkey. Like I'm a half woodpecker, for example. Now, I gotta get to the Super Nintendo world. It's a good thing I reserved for my virtual line pass. Okay. Super Nintendo world, here I come. Hello, Kitty. I should go say hi to her for a reunion. You know, it's been a long time. We haven't seen each other for a long time. Oh, this way. Got it. Hi there, Hello Kitty. Long time no see. I'm so happy to meet you. Put it there. You know, give me a hug. I hope you missed my laugh since it's been a long time. We haven't seen each other for a few years. It's good to be back in Universal. Home sweet home. Anyway, are you ready for the photo shoot? Okay, smile. Pete, that was so much fun posing. Oh, of course you notice I look a little different. It's my new haircut. And it's wavy too. And my red shoes. Right. Oh, and guess I could do that. I can tap dance. Have a good day, Hello Kitty. And now I'm gonna fly. See ya.